If you are new to ChatGPT and wondering how to use it, in this video you are going to see some of the cool stuff what ChatGPT can do, such as giving you ideas, answering your questions in a conversational method, creating content, even programming. Yes, ChatGPT can even write computer code and do many other things. Before we begin, let us know in the comments below what are your thoughts about ChatGPT, and if you have any additional questions, comment also down below and I will have a look. So if you are ready, now let's start using ChatGPT. ChatGPT doesn't have its own website, so you need to go to the openai.com. You can also find the link in the description part of this video. And once you come here, then click on the Try ChatGPT button. And if you don't have an account yet, then you need to create one. Here, by entering your email address or with your Microsoft account or with Google, you can create your account. After your sign-up process is completed, then you should see this screen, which is the simple interface of ChatGPT. Here on the left bar, you can see your previous conversations with ChatGPT, and on the bottom left part, there are additional options. Now, using ChatGPT is currently free. I don't know whether they change it later, but they also give you an option to upgrade to a premium version, which is ChatGPT Plus. If you click here, you can see here your plan. Currently it is free for everybody, but if you prefer, you can upgrade your plan, then you will have some additional priorities. Now, before starting a conversation with ChatGPT, here you can see some examples of how you can create a prompt. Here on the middle, you can see its capabilities, what ChatGPT can do, and on the right side, you see limitations. Alright, so let's go ahead and start a conversation with ChatGPT. You can click on this new chat button, or you can simply write here a prompt. For example, let's begin with a simple hello. Click on enter, and now it gives us an answer. On the right side, you can see thumbs up and thumbs down button, which is good for sending feedback, because currently the creators of ChatGPT are collecting a lot of feedback from its users. If you are not happy with the reply, you can ask to regenerate the response. Then it will give you another reply and you can switch between them here. Alright, let's ask, for example, a simple question. Is your name ChatGPT? And now it replies, yes, that's correct. ChatGPT is a given name, and you can read the rest of the reply here. You can ask ChatGPT many different kinds of questions, but you won't be able to get always a very good answer. For example, if you ask, what is the capital of United Kingdom? Then you will get the correct answer. But for example, if you ask, how is the weather today in London? Then as you can see, it is not able to give us the answer because it says I don't have access to real-time weather data. Maybe. Another feature of ChatGPT is generating text, including articles, stories, and even jokes. Write me a birthday card for my best friend and keep it below 100 words. Let's see what it gives. And as you can see, it generates us a simple text here that you can use for example, for a birthday card. Another feature of ChatGPT is that it can translate language. Translate this sentence to German. Today the weather is very nice, warm, and sunny. And ChatGPT translated this sentence to German. For example, it can also generate an email, which can be very useful. Write me an email that I will accept the invitation from my boss to join the afternoon happy hour after work this Friday. Now here, ChatGPT creates us a template that you can use to reply your emails. Another great feature that you can use ChatGPT is for summarization, summarizing text or like longer articles. Let's say that you want to learn more about Starbucks. You go to Wikipedia, but you find this text too long to read and to understand. So what you can do is to copy the text and ask ChatGPT to summarize the following article to its key points. You paste it here. And as you see, now ChatGPT summarized this longer article to a much shorter version and just gives us the key and the important points here. If you think this is still too long to read, then maybe you can try summarize it even more and include only the key parts as bullet points. Let's try this. And now it generates us another summarized version, and this makes to read and understand longer text much easier. ChatGPT can also complete some kind of text. For example, you can ask, complete the following text and write a short story. My friend went to Spain last summer and as you can see, now ChatGPT has started writing a story about this uncompleted sentence here. ChatGPT can also do programming because it can also write and generate computer code. Create me a simple login form with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, now it will start creating us a simple login form. And what also great is it will give you some additional explanation what this computer code is about. Of course, if you give more details, then it will write code in a much better way. ChatGPT can also be used for content creation, like creating content. You can use it for writing blog articles or social media captions like you can use on Instagram and many other things. For example, we can try, write me 5 Twitter posts about how to start a YouTube channel in 2023. Now ChatGPT starts creating different kinds of tweets and even includes hashtags. You can also ask, for example, write me an Instagram caption for my picture taken in Italy this summer on a boat trip. Okay, and it created an example Instagram caption. Give me 5 more, and it writes us 5 additional Instagram captions that you can use on your Instagram posts. So these are just some examples what ChatGPT can do, and it can also be helpful for creating YouTube videos like I created this video. And in the next one, I would like to show you how to create a YouTube video by using ChatGPT. So if you are interested, make sure to also check that out. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.